If you are looking for how to delete your Tumblr account, then you have come to the right place. Welcome to How Logical. In today's video, we are going to see exactly the same, how to delete Tumblr account. First, head over to our Tumblr dashboard. Next, scanning the left sidebar, we can find account. Upon clicking it, we can see our blog's name. Let's click on it. Now, in the mid section, we could have found our blogs. Since I don't have any post, no post is available is shown. To the right of it, we can see blog settings here. Let's click on it. Now, in this new page, again, on the right sidebar, there is account. We need to select it. Now scroll down to the very bottom and we can see this red button that says delete account. That's the one we want to click. Now to confirm that this account belongs to us, we need to provide our email and password. Let's do it. Once that's done, let's click delete everything. It's gone. Now you know how to delete Tumblr account. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see future video updates like this, you sure want to subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.